What would you do with an extra £500 a week? Well, have a think about it, because after this video, you'll have the tools to be able to do it. Why is no one talking about this? We all have to start somewhere in our journey, but the question is where? Just before we get into this video, can I ask you, yes you, the person watching this, to just hover your mouse over the top of the subscribe button and left click to subscribe to the channel. I'll accept that as payment for showing you this amazing side hustle that you'll be able to start as soon as this video ends. It will keep me motivated to create content like this now and in the future. So let's get stuck in. So how did I make £500 within 1 week? Basically match betting. Like me, you could have looked at this before but couldn't get your head around it. But after coming across this website that I'm going to be showing you today, it's made it so much easier and simpler and 10 times quicker than usual, and definitely an incredible thing to do whilst on the side. So what is match betting? To put it in its simplest form, it's a completely risk-free way of extracting free bets and bonuses from bookmakers. We've all seen those ads here and there. Deposit £10 and get £20 to play with, or stake £10 and have £60 of free bets. Match betting is extracting as much of those free bets as possible. And yes, that's it. People make it sound so complicated. It is completely legal to do, however, it used to take a huge amount of time to work out each individual bet that you needed to place. But this is where Outplayed comes in. This site gives you everything you need to know when it comes to match betting. It does all the hard work for you and shows you on video what to do for each bookmaker. So at the end of this video, head down to the description box below and you'll see my link there to take you over to Outplayed so you can sign up for a free account and get started. With the free account, you just go through the sign up bonuses, and then from there you can go into a paid account where you can still use all the calculators. This is where you fully unlock the capabilities of making money whilst match betting. Heading onto sports sign up offers, you can see that today there is a potential return of £600. This is just on sign ups. When you sign up to these betting sites, you make sure to click that you accept to receive offers through email. This is where the magic happens. I usually get between 10 to 15 offers through email, where I could potentially make £100 from them. This, mixed with the sign-up offers and your continuation offers, means that you could potentially pay for your rent. So let's do one, shall we? We're going to head over to Outplayed. We're going to be doing the live score bet sign-up offer. As you can see, that the guaranteed profit from this sign-up offer is £15. All you do is follow the video or look at the detailed description on how to do this offer yourself. I'll sign up to live score bet, making sure that I am 18 years old, otherwise it's illegal, making sure I fill in the details correctly and wait to be verified. On rare occasions, you may need to upload some photo ID like a passport or a driver's license, but this should only happen on a very rare occasion. It's just to prove that your details are correct. After being verified, I'll go ahead and deposit the £10 that I need, like so, and open up Outplayed's odds matcher software that you use from the Outplayed site, and go over to the filter and select the live score qualifying bet. Basically, we are wagering that £10 to get little to no loss at all, so we got our deposit back and also a free bet. However, because of bookmakers' rules, you cannot just withdraw that free bet. It has to be wagered and used once, so it will then get transferred into cash that you can then withdraw. So on the odds matcher software, you can see the betting site and also the exchange. In the simplest form, we are betting for and against a result. So in the end, we will end up with some money. This works by backing and laying bets. Let's explain. Imagine a game of football between Team A and Team B. Backing a bet is what 99% of people do, which is betting for a team to win, betting for them to draw, or potentially over so many goals in the first or second half, and so on. So for this example, our backing bet is going to be for Team A and B to draw. Laying a bet is the complete opposite. So you'll be betting for Team A and Team B not to draw. In other words, a lay bet is covering all other possibilities. Placing backing bets are done on bookies or betting sites. For this video, it's live score bet, and laying a bet is done on a betting exchange. And for this video, I'll be using Smarkets. The odds matching software does all the hard work for you by showing you the bets that you can do with near enough matching odds, so you'll end up with as much of your original deposit as possible. So I'm going to pick the top option. This then opens a rather daunting calculator. However, all the in-depth tutorials on Outplayed will show you exactly what all these numbers mean. But for now, I can see that we'll be backing and laying a draw in this game. So I'll select this as a draw on live score, then find and lay the bet on Smarkets. With Smarkets, you will need a little bit of money to cover the lay bet, purely because you are betting on all other possibilities. So either team A or B to win and no draw. Selecting the blue button, I will then copy and paste the amounts that I need to place against this bet. You then place both bets and wait for the game to finish. Once it is done, your money will be either in the bookmakers account or in your Smarkets account, and then your free bet will be there for you to rinse and repeat this process. You do this by using the drop down arrow on the odds matching software and selecting the free bet option. You'll do this again, and then finally you'll end up with money that you can then withdraw. After my free bets, I ended up with £26.13 in my account, meaning that I had made a total of £16.13 for this offer. Amazing, right? It may not sound like a lot, but once you do 10 and 20 of these, it does add up. What's that, I hear you ask? So what happens when you sign up to all the other betting sites? Well, I've got you. Within a day or two, you'll end up receiving emails of offers. You'll then do these offers by calculating which bets work for you. This is all taught on Outplayed. I've been doing this for about a month and a half, and really, it's been making me some eye-watering money, which I never knew that was possible so quickly. You just need to learn to be patient with those bets. Also, on the side, I did end up signing up for the casino offers, which takes full advantage of free spins, free bonuses, and sign-up offers, which means you could potentially make a lot more. So like I said before, head down to the description below, click on that link and get started. And make sure you head into the comment section below and let me know how you get on. I'll keep doing this in the background whilst I build up some capital to put into something else, which funny enough brings us to the next video. And obviously we want to make and build something that's going to generate passive income over time. So to see the main weapon that all online millionaires are using nowadays and to see how to set it up, you'll want to click on this video right here because it's going to blow your mind.